हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? सब कुछ बढ़िया? ऑल गुड? ओके ओके, लेट्स टेक दिस क्वेश्चन. इट वाज आस्क्ड इन नीट 2021. लेट्स रीड इट. अ particle is released from height s from the surface of the earth. At a certain height, its kinetic energy is what? Three times its potential energy. The height from the surface of earth and the speed of the particle at that instant are respectively. Okay, तो let us understand the question. क्या कहा यहाँ पर? एक पार्टिकल है. Okay, now that particle dropped from some height, then it reaches certain distance. Let's say it comes here. Okay, and then again it is going to fall. Now what they're asking, when like it is that intermediate position for the particle, right? Okay, so we need to find out that height here. Okay, from the ground. Here is what your ground. We need to find out this height. क्या खेल रही है? हाँ, this height. ओके, एंड इवन द स्पीड एट दैट इंस्टेंट. ठीक है, जब ये पार्टिकल यहाँ पर होगा तो उस समय उसका स्पीड क्या होगा. चलो, नाउ लेट अस कंसीडर द टोटल हाइट विल बी एस. ओके, एज इन द ऑप्शन यू कैन सी द एस इज actually visible over there. Okay, the total height is what? S. Now the potential energy here, let's consider P. That will be at that topmost point, it will be mgs, right? Mgs. And the kinetic energy will be zero. Now, as the condition is given, kinetic energy becomes three times of the potential energy at that instant. Okay, it's not about that. Let's say it's sort of P1. Okay, so it's sort of P2. So the whatever your kinetic energy here, let's say K2, kinetic energy at that instant, that will be the three times of the P2. Now we don't know the P2 and we don't know the kinetic energy. So what we'll do, we'll just relate it. Okay. Now as we know that total energy will remain constant if object is falling in free fall. Actually, no any other condition is given. So we will consider that object is falling in a free fall, right? So as the object is falling in a free fall, total energy will remain constant. तो total energy क्या consider करेंगे यहाँ पर? Kinetic plus potential. Okay. So let's say total energy यहाँ पर जो भी है, so that will be kinetic K2 plus उसकी पोटेंशियल P2. ओके, टू मतलब उस इंस्टेंट पर. ठीक है, अब टोटल एनर्जी क्या होती है? अब यहाँ पर देखो, टोटल एनर्जी टॉप मोस्ट पॉइंट पर क्या हो गया? अगर यहाँ पर काइनेटिक तो जीरो है तो टोटल एनर्जी ऑब्वियसली mgs ही रहेगी. तो टोटल एनर्जी तो आपकी mgs ही रहने वाली है, राइट? सो द टोटल एनर्जी इज व्हाट? mgs, राइट? सो K2 क्या दिया है? 3P2, राइट? प्लस ये P2 is equal to mgs. Now let's consider that height is what? Okay, let's consider the displacement of that from the top till that instant of time will be x. So that height will be s minus x here, right? So you will get 3P2 plus P2, it will be 4P2 is equal to mgs. Okay, now P2 is nothing but the potential energy at that point. So the potential energy at that point will be, here the P2 will be mg, and height above the earth surface, that will be s minus x, right? So we can just put it here. 4. Okay, P2 is what? That's what? mg s minus x is equal to here mg s. So you will, okay, first of all, mg will get cut. Okay, you will get s minus x. That's what the height above the earth surface. It's what? S by 4. Okay, this first answer is clear. The height from the earth, like from the earth surface, that will be the s by 4, right? Clear? So even I can write here height above earth surface, okay, will be s by 4. Okay, now the next thing we need to find out now, velocity, right? Okay, now see here, potential, if the height is s by 4, then the potential energy, the P2, that we can easily find out mg s by 4, right? mg s by 4. So mg s by 4, it's what a potential energy at that instant. Now the relation for the K2 is given, the kinetic energy at that instant, that will be the 3P2, right? So kinetic energy क्या होता है आपका? Okay, kinetic energy is nothing but half m, and let's say इसकी जो भी यहाँ इस पॉइंट पर वेलोसिटी हम कंसिडर करेंगे v2 का स्क्वायर is equal to 3, and P2 क्या है? mgs by 4. So I can write 3 by 4 mgs. See here, mg will get cancelled, right? So then that 2 अगर यहाँ पर आया तो ये क्या होगा? 2 1 जा 2 2 जा, right? Okay, so your final answer will be It's a v2 का square. That will be 3gs by 2. Okay, if you can take the square root, you will get the v will be root of 3gs divided by 2. Okay, root of 3gs divided by 2, ये है आपकी velocity और ये है आपकी height. ये है height and this one is what the velocity. Okay, so s by 4 and 3gs by 2, root 3gs by 2, ये शायद d1 is what right answer. क्या? Bye bye.